Hello, my name is Lynn. I'm going to show you how to use CSS to modify your HTML pages to make them all look consistent. As you can see here on my page, I made this table before starting the video to show you the differences before you add CSS and after CSS. This is obviously before CSS because it looks very, very plain and boring and very simple. Looks bad, but we're going to make it better. First of all, we gotta do is we gotta make CSS style sheets because it's easier if you have all of your CSS in one place instead of having it mess up your code and make it look all nasty. And also, if you have it in the sheet, you can just link the sheet instead of having to write the CSS over and over and over. Anyways, first of all, I want to center the writing that was in the top cell of the table, but I want it to be applied to the cell alone and no other cell, just that one. So how I can do it, I can add a specific class that will apply only to that cell. This code will make sure that I give it a name that will be easy to remember. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm calling it paragraph center, p center, so I know this code will center it. Alright, name a code. So now I'm going to link my CSS sheet after I remember to put my class here. Because if you don't link your class, it's not going to know how to even do your code. Alright, to link my sheet, I just use it from the local files over there, and then I drag it over to the head. And then my other page here I have, I'm going to drag it over too, so it works in both. Alright, we're going to see how this looks now. It is centered. The text has been centered. Alright. But now, instead of just centering it, I want to add some color to the cell. So, I'm going to change the background color of the cats, or the bomb diggity cell here. Okay, go back to my CSS sheet, and I'm going to change the background color. With PD, back color, then background color. I'm just gonna make it a blue. I wrote down a number beforehand, but you can pick whatever. It's fine. Alright, now that I made the code, I have to add the class background color to the element that I want the color to change. And do it on both pages because you gotta apply it to both or it's not gonna change there either. Alright, now let's see what we've done. Alright, as you can see, we just made the top cell the blue color and nothing else on the page. And if you click, actually if you go back and you click on the other page, take a, oh, we didn't do that. Oh, I did do that. Never mind me, it is, I did do my code right. As you can see on our second page, it is also the same thing. Okay, next, I want to change the left cell at the bottom to have the text start at the top of the cell. And then I want to change how the borders look and the color of them because they're way too plain. First, we're going to change the text to vertically align because you don't want it just to be there. And then we're going to change the border style of the border that's around the pictures because it looks way too plain. And then after our dash border, we're going to give it some color because color is good for a web page. And we're going to make the color same to give it some consistency here. Alright. Okay, never mind. I messed up my code. Let's fix it. I forgot to add my class. Classes are important. If you don't add your class, it's not going to work. Okay, got my classes now. Let's see, there, that looks right there. Look at our cool little dashed blue border here. Looks a lot nicer, and you can see the text is all aligned there. Yeah, alright. Okay, I'm just going to add one more thing to this page to show you. I'm going to add a cute little cat picture that you see on the bottom of every page of the website. So you're going to go back to your CSS style sheet, start a new line of code, then do body, and then we're going to do background image. And then going to have browse it. And the one that we're going to use is cute cat, because cute cat. Alright, now that we have that, we're going to choose if we want to repeat the background. And we're not going to repeat in the background. Background position, bottom right. Yeah, background position. We're going to have it in the bottom right. And then we're going to do another line that says background repeat. We want no repeat because we only want to show up once. We only need one cat. Right, and then close it. Now, let's see. As you can see here, there it is. There's Kitty over there in the corner. And if we click on another page in our website, you can see that yes, there's Kitty there too. And you can see there's our blue page from earlier too. Yeah. There's some things about CSS. You can use it to stay pretty consistent with your stuff. That's pretty much why the big advantage of it.